Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Jura espresso machine. It comes to us with it was like clogged. The spouts here, one of them was like totally a little bit just giving you, the other one was halfway. So, and the machine needs a tune-up. So I did that tune-up for the machine. I took off the brew unit, I clean it up, give it like cleaning cycles, even the steam one, and replace all the gaskets in that brew unit, lubricate all the moving parts and put it back together. After took off the whole box and open it, clean it, it was like some of that coffee was like cement inside. So I soak it with the hot water, cleaner, clean it up, put it back together, put the machine back together. So let's go ahead and test it, make espresso shot on it. This is the first shot after this is great shot. So let's test that. Steamer. Works great, and let's do the hot water. That works good. So the machine functioning perfect. Turn it off and see how it works. It is cleaning itself and nothing clogged, even the drops comes together on both sides. Thank you for watching.